In class 6, chapter Enlivening a Presentation, we are going to cover the following topics in this video. First, inserting sound clips. Second, inserting video clips. So let's start with the video tutorial. So class 6, let's start with the video tutorial. First, we will open our Microsoft program. So I have pinned this program on my taskbar so that I can open it quickly. Okay, now we'll open a presentation so that we can work. So I am opening the same presentation in which we have worked last time. Now two of our topics are there which we have to cover today. The first one is how to insert sound clips in your presentation, and the second is how to insert videos in your presentation. So we'll go for the first one, that is how we can insert sound clips, audio clips in our presentation. So first what you have to do, select any slide in which you want to insert that particular sound clip. So suppose I want to insert a sound. Suppose I am taking the second one. Okay, now select this slide. After that, what you have to do, after selecting the slide, go to the insert tab. In insert tab you will find a group that is named with media clips, this one. Now there are two options, one is movie, another is sound. Now to insert the sound, what you have to do, click on this sound icon, speaker icon, and see, it will ask you that you can add a sound which is there in your computer system. Already you have some files, a song or anything. Then suppose I am selecting this one and click on OK. Now it is asking how do you want to start the sound in your slideshow. Automatically means that as soon as this slide will come, when you run this presentation, as soon as this slide will appear, the sound will automatically start. Or when clicked means until unless you are not clicking on the slide, the sound will not start. As soon as you click on the slide, okay, the sound will be played. So I am selecting here when clicked. Now see, this is the icon for your sound. When this icon appears, it means that sound has been added to your slide. Okay, now see here in the tab bar, you will not you are finding only these 8 tabs: home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, view, and acrobat. Now as soon as I select this sound speaker symbol, there are two more tabs, that is format and option under sound tools. Now you go to sound tools and then click on preview. So when you click on preview, what will happen? The sound which you have added will be played, will show as a preview, that how your sound will work. Okay, now this one, slideshow volume, low, medium, high or mute, means you can either put it on low, the sound volume will be low as compared to the original one. Medium means the original sound will be there, and high means it will be a little high than the original sound. Now hide during show When you select this option means the sound symbol will be hide during the show, means when you run a presentation this symbol won't appear. Next is loop until stopped, means the sound will run again and again, it will repeat itself again and again until you stop the presentation or until you stop this sound. Now play sound, this is when you inserted a sound, it's already there automatically or while clicked or play across slide, means from the first slide the sound will start playing. Okay, as many as slides you have, it will be there on all the slides. So we have just treated as when clicked. Now maximum file size sound file size maximum, so you can increase it if your sound file size is quite large, so you can increase the size from here. Now these are nothing, means we don't have to do with these option, nothing with these option. Height, width, nothing to do with these, it will always increase the height and width of the sound symbol. Okay, so there are only few options in which you have to work. The first one is preview, it gives a preview how your sound will appear. Slideshow volume, medium, high, low. Then hide during show, means you have to hide this symbol during the show or not. Loop until stopped, means when you check this option it means that your sound will play or repeat itself again and again until you stopped it. Play sound automatically when clicked or across all the slides. These are the three options here. Then maximum max sound file size in KB. If your sound file size is larger than 100 KB, then you can increase this size here. Okay, these are the only main options in which you have to work. Now fine, now suppose we want to run this presentation and we want to see how this particular thing will look like. So what we have to do, we'll go with the F5 option. So this is the first option, as we have done with the last video. What we have to do, we'll click on this symbol. Until and unless we are not clicking, the sound will not be played, because we have chosen play the sound when clicked. Done, and we can move to the further slides. Clear? Okay, now see what we have chosen here in this, that it play the sound when clicked. Now we will change it to the automatically, play sound automatically, and we'll save it, and then again we are going to run this presentation. F5. Now let's see if it's get played automatically or not. See, I have not clicked anywhere, but the sound has started automatically. Fine. तो So we have completed our first topic, that is how to insert a sound clip in your presentation. So either you can insert individual sound clip or you can insert a single sound clip and you can play across the slides. Now one thing more I would like to tell you about this sound option here. Click on this option and I'm just deleting it. Okay, go to insert. Now see, in the sound media clip sound option down part, you will find a small drop down arrow. So when you click on this, you will find some other option. Sound from file means if you want to add a file which is there in your computer system. And next is these two options. Play CD audio tag means you have to insert a CD in your computer and that audio can be played from the CD. If you have some recording in your compact disc in your CD, if you want to play directly your audio, your sound directly from the CD, then you can choose this option. Now record sound option is there. If you want to record your own sound to narrate about the topic, to narrate means to give explanation about your presentation in your own words. Now suppose I am clicking here record sound, it will give me the record sound option. Okay, so what I have to do now, I will to record the sound. Now suppose I am selecting this third slide because there is something which I can explain in my own word. So I am clicking here on the insert tab, then going to sound, clicking on this drop down arrow and choosing the option record sound. Now this is the record sound dialog box name. So I am giving it as slide 3 because I am recording this sound for slide number 3. And then click on this button to start the recording. Okay, good morning friends. Now we are discussing this topic, that networking concept, and the first thing is come in our mind, that is what is a network. Now let me explain what is a network. A network is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communication devices and transmission media in order to exchange information and share resources. It means that when two or more computers are connected together in order to exchange the data, information and resources in between them, then they are said that those computers are in a network. Okay, so what I have done, after recording my sound, I have clicked here on this stop button. Now there is a play button, means you can preview it, how your sound will appear. Now I am clicking on this play button. Please listen the sound. Okay, good morning friends. Now we are discussing this topic, that networking concept, and the first thing is come in our mind, that is what is a network. Now let me explain what is a network. A network is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communication devices and transmission media in order to exchange information and share resources. It means that when two or more computers are connected together in order to exchange the data, information and resources in between them, then they are said that those computers are in a network. Okay, you see, I have recorded my sound, and what I can do now, I can click on this OK button. So as soon as I click on this OK button, what will happen? This particular sound which I have recorded will be inserted in my slide. So let's click on OK. Now see, here is the symbol. So I am bringing it here. Now going to sound options, automatically. Okay, and keeping this slide volume high. Fine. Save this presentation. and F5 to run the presentation. Now let's see our sound will played or not. We have removed the sound from this slide number 2.
Okay, good morning friends. Now we are discussing this topic, that networking concept, and the first thing is come in our mind, that is, what is a network? Now let me explain what is a network. A network is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communication devices and transmission media in order to exchange information and share resources.
Now you have seen that my voice is recorded. The narration which I have done for this slide has been recorded, and it's getting played when I am running this presentation. So these are the two options which I want to show you, that you can either insert a sound clip, a sound file which is there in your computer, already saved in your computer, or you can record your own sound to explain the slide, what is the slide is all about. Clear? So we have finished with the first topic, that is how to add sound clip. Now next is how to insert videos. For videos, what I would like to do, I would like to add a new slide, because video we cannot add to any other slide because they have content over there. So I'll just give you example how you can insert a video in your slide. Now after selecting this, you can go to insert, select the slide, go to insert, then choose the option movie. The same thing is there, that is, either you can insert a movie from the file, or there is option movie from clip organizer. Clip organizer means a clip art type. Okay, so we will insert a movie from the file. We'll look for some videos. Here it is, first one. I'm inserting this file. Okay, that will take some time depending upon the size of the video you are inserting. Don't insert a heavy file here, okay, because that will take too much of time. Okay, how do you want to start the movie in the slideshow? Automatically, I am saying please start my movie automatically. This is the video. So what you can do, you can increase the size, make it appear above whole of this slide. It can cover the area. Okay, then see, when we selected this particular screen, that is movie, we have another option under movie tools. So the same is there, preview, you can see.
Adipujyam Ganadhyaksham Umaputram Vinayakam Mangalam.
Slide volume, slideshow volume high, then play movie automatically. Hide during show, no. Play full screen, yes. Always play it on full screen. Then loop until stop means again it will keep on playing again and again. Rewind movie after playing means once your presentation, your slide is over, it will rewind it to the starting position. Means when you run this presentation again, it will start from the beginning. So these are the options which you have to look for. So we will save this presentation and we'll see that whether it is working or not. So F5 we are pressing.
Adipujyam
Now as we have sorry for this, as we have placed a timing here in our presentation that every slide has to move after the 4 second. Okay, so let me just click it here on mouse click and apply to all. Fine, because we don't want to play it after every, means changing after every 4 second. Now F5. Second slide.
Adipujyam Ganadhiksham Umaputram Vinayakam.
So as you seen that whenever I am running the presentation, my movie is getting played inside the presentation only. Okay, so this is for your example what I have done. Now I am ending up this presentation here, pressing the escape key so that the presentation can be escaped, quit. Okay, fine. Now I hope that everything is clear to you, both the topics, how to insert the sound clip in your presentation and how you can insert video clips. So what you can do, you can practice these things at your home, practice more and more, stay home, stay safe and enjoy your e-learning. Thank you.